Welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Blender application on your MacBook Pro. So let's get started right away. The first thing to do is to visit the Blender website. Go and open up your Safari browser from your MacBook Pro and then in the URL box type in blender.org/download. You will then see this download link. Right in the home page it lands. Select the Blender version that you'd like to download and make sure to choose the version that is compatible with your Mac operating system 11 or later. You can also go look for other versions by clicking on this little link at the bottom. Once you click on the download link, allow necessary permissions and this will now begin the download process. Wait for the application to download and once it is done, drag and drop the Blender to Applications and you will be able to download and install Blender app on your MacBook Pro. So that's how you can easily download Blender application on MacBook Pro within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.